anthrax in there. Welcome back to part 2 of the $25,000 prop firm journey. I got some bad news. I lost some trades. I'm not feeling too hot right now. I'm just at square one again, you know what I'm saying? It's not good. I've been going 80 miles per hour with no seatbelt, about to hit a big ass speed bump. No, a big ass brick wall, you feel me? And I gotta be honest with you, I lost a couple of challenges already. This time I'm actually documenting it. I just feel, I wouldn't say insecure, but it's kind of frustrating when you feel like you're a good trader, when you have that technical analysis down, you feeling really confident about the actual execution, and then you just get a big fat L, you know what I'm saying? So not feeling too hot right now, you know. I want to talk about my mindset right now. I feel like still pretty motivated. I'm still feeling really good about the market out of a huge loss, but I do have a little bit of drawdown in my challenge. So I started at 25,000. I'm at like 24,000 and some change right now. Definitely a mental battle every day. I'm waking up, just positive mental attitude. Yeah. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually share with you the actual trades that I lost the last couple of days, and then I'm gonna show you some of the chart markups of the new trade that I got into, and I'm feeling pretty optimistic about it. So let's go ahead and screen share that and get it popping. So if you haven't seen part 1, I'll go ahead and attach part 1 in this video, but the prop firm that I'm working with is Funder Pro. Once you get funded, you actually go into a live account, right? You're not trading on a demo account, you're trading actual live funds, and you get paid out the same day when you actually make a withdrawal and take a profit. So this is basically my balance. Again, guys, it's $25,000 prop firm challenge, okay? And as you can tell, I am overall negative $422. And then I am in a current position that is around negative $300. So yeah, not doing too hot right now. It's still early in the game, and this is kind of like what my journey has looked like, right? So definitely a little bit more aggressive on this $25,000 challenge. I lost a couple of trades, went all the way down to 24,257, and then I got that $1,400 win, which brought me back up to 25,651, and now I'm sitting back around that 24,687. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring up the actual trade. So let's go into my closed positions, and you're gonna see that I lost some money, okay? So the first position was the USD JPY, and then again USD JPY. So let's go ahead and bring that up really quick. That way you guys can actually see it. So we'll do the majors on the foreign exchange market, and then pull up. Wait, it's Forex crosses. Wait, it's major, right? Yeah, major. Okay, here it is. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna show you basically my thought process behind this buy right here. So price came up, right, broke out of this major resistance area. So I'm like, okay, it's gonna retest and then continue to rally to the upside. And it didn't actually do that. It actually broke to the upside and then continued to break back down to the downside. So it stopped me out, and I was like, okay, well, looking left, let me go ahead and get rid of this and minimize this a little bit. But as you can tell, you know, I drew this trend line, right? So my thought process was like, okay, price is basically staying within this realm, right? And there's multiple touch points, right? So this was a major break, but then it came back within the channel, and then I was expecting the retest to be around that last little purple dot down here, right? So price came back down, it started retesting, and I'm like, okay, this is gonna be a continuation to the downside, right? So I got into another position. I'm like, okay, it's at the top of the channel. Let me get aggressive and risk a little bit more. So I took a sell, and price started coming down, and then crazy shit. Price broke back above And I'm like, damn, my stop loss was around here. And then look at this. Price just tanked all the way down here. And then again, and then it came all the way back here, breaking outside of this support. And then like, it was just all over the place. So, you know, once it broke out, you know, I took another position and I was like, yeah, I'm doing too much. So this was like me trying to make up for my losses. So once I started seeing that price was going against me, I decided to get out. So yeah, man, it's just, I mean, this is the 1 hour time frame too, you know what I'm saying? So like, look at these crazy pushes to the downside, crazy pushes to the upside. I mean, that's just not normal, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, let's go ahead and mark up basically my new position that I'm in. If you're enjoying this so far, I would love for you to join my free Discord group. I have about 50 members in there already, and it's pretty cool. You know, I would love to meet other traders. Trading is a lonely sport, so I think it would be really great to just meet you. So if you want to do that, link is in the bio below, and let's get it popping. So let's bring up this. Let me get rid of that and then make more space for you guys. So I like to stand out or go out in the daily time frame, right? And I want to be able to swing this to the downside. So, you know, on a macro level, you know, here's a supply demand area, right? Major exhaustion areas. And then we have right here, this is a rally based drop. This is also a big rally based drop. But zooming in on the 4 hour, right, where current price is, you're gonna see multiple exhaustion touches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of drew it out for you already. And then down here, this was the other area where there is a rally, base rally, okay? So basically another form of exhaustion. And so I'm like, okay, this has to be a good area for it to take profit because it's a solid demand on the 1 hour. So let's go ahead and bring up the 1 hour and you can see a little bit more detail. My stop loss is right above here. And then my take profit is down here, okay? And so what made me want to get into a short is this long exhaustion wick, right? Price is getting exhausted and it started coming down. So I entered my short right around here, okay? So as you can tell, basically with my short tool right here, you can see that this is basically a 2-to-1 or a 1-to-2, however you want to say it. And I'm risking around $500. So 500 is some change. So basically, if price continues to hold below this major resistance, I can easily take it down to the next demand area and make a profit. So if I make, let's see how much I would actually potentially make. This would be a little under $1,200 and I'm actually risking $600. So if I lose this trade, it's gonna take me down to like 23 and some change, which isn't good because then I'd be halfway away from my max daily loss or max loss in general actually. And but if I do win this trade, then it's all good, I'm back in the game. So that is basically my thought process on this new position that I took. You know, as we speak, price is going up, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, a good thing is, you know, we are still at this major resistance area. Stop loss is way above basically this resistance. So I'm not too worried, but if price does go above this wick, then I might lose some sleep. Yeah, feeling a little nervous. I typically take $100,000 challenges, but I took a break from, you know, my personal account. I took a break from prop firms, and I'm like, okay, if I want to get some momentum, let me go ahead and start on a smaller account. That way I can get some reps in. I would prefer to you know, pass it this first time around, just showing you guys. But you know, if I do lose, I'm still gonna post my losses. I'm still gonna post that I lost during this $25,000 prop firm journey, just for you, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm having fun with it and just trying to let loose. I'm trying to, you know, meet some other traders, you know, all the traders that out there, damn, I can't talk. All the traders out there that are trying to get funded and everything. I wish you the best as well. Peace out.